Hey, this is Liz Bentley, and today I want to talk about how to avoid a culture and team environment of complacency and status quo. Now, of course, it sounds like no one is trying to achieve complacency or status quo, but the reality is a lot of teams unknowingly slip into it. And the reason they unknowingly slip into it is usually the leader of the team doesn't like conflict, doesn't like giving tough feedback. And while they try to push people to grow, they do it so much with encouragement that they avoid talking about the things that are hard. And when we do that, people can slip into such a comfortable environment and feel maybe happy because they're not being criticized, that they actually start to do a lot of average work. And as we know, in a very competitive environment that we're in, average work quickly falls to below average and makes companies, teams, divisions fail, right? So it's really important as a leader and as a person anywhere, any place that you're running a group or running a family or running an organization, that you drive people to be their best, that you pay attention to the results, that you give feedback along the way to help people grow, even if it's uncomfortable, that you have conflict and work through it, that you do all of these things so that you do not allow for status quo. You do not allow for complacency, and that you recognize that sometimes people might need to be unhappy right now in order to achieve happiness later. That keeping people comfortable and, like I said, happy isn't always going to get you where they need to go, where people need to ultimately drive to. So drive people for results, drive people to be their best. Don't allow for complacency and status quo, and don't be afraid to push, because from that push will come great things.